Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be doing this simple and easy look. This super glam, super pink, and super pretty easy look. So before we get started on this look, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below for future videos. I'm going to be using this palette right here, so you want to make sure to get similar colors. We're going to be using this hot pink, this lighter pink on the top to blend, and this shimmer, and this for highlight. Make sure to have fluffy brushes on hand, your mascara, glitter glue, glue for your lashes, and some glitter. So we're going to reach right into this palette right here and grab that hot pink and just place it on our lid just like so. You want to make sure to blend it back and forth just like so, while grabbing a little bit more eyeshadow and tapping it onto the lid. Blending from the front, going to the outer edges. Grab a little bit more. We're going to keep tapping it on. We're going to build up that color to make it nice and intense pink. So now we're going to start pulling out towards the edge. We're going to use the same eyeshadow we have on our lid. We're not going to grab any more and just start pulling outwards to create a tail. Now I'm going to grab a little bit more and just slap it on there just like so, just a bit, and blend out just a bit. Now we're going to grab this lighter pink and we're going to place it right over. So tap it right over that pink, that hot pink. Tap, tap, tap. Just dab that on there and start blending out with a very light hand, starting from the front all the way to the back. Now I'm going to reach back in and grab a little more. Tap, tap, tap. And it's not supposed to be extremely noticeable. It's just supposed to be a transition color for the background. It's just supposed to make the top a lot smoother and appear more gradient. So the same as before, you're just going to start grabbing that same eyeshadow and just pulling it out towards the tail to connect the light and the hot pink together. Blending right underneath the brow bone with a very light hand as well. So now we're going to repeat step 1 and use that hot pink once again with a fluffy brush. So you're going to tap that color right underneath the crease bone area. Tap, tap, tap. Let's want to make it more intense. Grab a clean brush and blend it out a little bit over the crease bone area, just a bit. This is going to make it look more intense. Next, we're going to grab the shimmer and we're going to place it right on the lid. So place it right on the lid underneath the crease bone area. Just place it all over your lid, grab a fluffy brush and just blend it out just a bit. Reach back in the palette, a little bit more shimmer, and repeat with the blend. This is going to be a backdrop color. So grab your glitter glue, a flat-headed brush, and we're going to start stamping it on. We're going to start placing right on the lid some glitter glue. And it might make your color look a little more faded out and bright. But remember, the other color was just a backdrop color. So place it all over your lid, just a bit. We're going to grab some glitter glue, and this is Aurora by Dazzled Queen Cosmetics. And we're going to start placing slowly onto the lid. Just reach your brush in there. Your lid is already wet from the glue, so we're just going to start placing that on. Just place a little bit more. I want it to be very glittery, very intense, so I'm going to keep packing on that glitter. So we're placing the glitter right underneath our crease bone area, kind of like we're doing a cut crease. And we're going to start creating the tail with a little bit more glitter glue. It's like you're doing a liner. Start slowly pulling out, creating a tail right underneath the crease bone area. Slowly extending that wing out. And we're going to start placing that glitter right on there. You can use a flat-headed brush or a smaller detail brush. Pick up that glitter and place it right on the edges, creating a tail a little bit more toward the front to intensify this glitter look. So it's like a cut crease minus the concealer. And we're going to grab this white shimmer color right here and we're going to place it to the inner corner of our eyes. And the reason I'm using a Q-tip because it picks up a lot more eyeshadow and pigment, and it picks up shimmers really good. So we're just going to place it to the inner corners. just like so. Let's clean the area up a bit with a makeup wipe. This is from Walmart. Now we're going to do one of the few final steps. We're going to grab the hot pink and place it right underneath our waterline. So tap, tap, tap. And then rub back and forth with your Q-tip. Remember, the Q-tip picks up a lot of eyeshadow, shimmers, and pigments. Next, we're going to apply some mascara to tint our lashes so we can place our falsies right over. Now we're going to grab some white liner and place it right on our waterline, just like so. Now, quick tip, if you want to make your eyes look more awake and more alive, make sure to use white liner on your waterline. Alright, last eyeshadow step, guys. We're going to use the same color we used for the inner corner of our eyes and place it right underneath our brow bone area as a highlight to make this look more glam and more pop. So here comes the last part, your falsies. You're going to grab your falsies and place some glue to the band, let it dry off for a bit, and then start from the outer corner to the inner corners. Now, before you do this, make sure your glue is dry enough. Make sure it's not too dry because then it won't stick, but make sure it's not extremely wet, so just perfect enough, which is tacky. Grab your brush and just blend out whatever you can that you think you need to correct. And we're pretty much done, guys. So here's this glam pink and a very fancy, very elegant look. How do I look? I look good, right? Alright, well anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Once again, and hit that notification button for future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.
We can